In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add/remove tags on Podia. Tags help you organize your audience for email segments, tracking, and grouping by interest. We'll cover editing tags for one person, making bulk changes, and creating new tags, all starting from your Podia dashboard. Begin by heading to your Podia dashboard. From the top navigation, click Audience to open your full list of customers and subscribers. To adjust tags for a single person, click their name to open their profile. On the right side of the profile page, find the tags box in the sidebar and choose Edit. To add a tag, type the tag name into the field. To remove a tag that's already applied, click the small X next to that tag. When you're finished, click Save to confirm your changes. A quick tip here, keep tag names short and consistent so they're easy to scan and reuse later across your audience. If you need to manage tags across many people at once, use bulk actions. From the top navigation, go back to Audience and select Tags. Locate the tag you want to manage and click the three-dot button next to its name. Here, you can untag people, which removes that tag from everyone who currently has it. You can also rename the tag to standardize your naming or delete the tag entirely. Because bulk actions affect multiple contacts at the same time, take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct tag before you proceed. Creating a brand new tag happens in the same place. With Audience open, click Tags, then choose the plus New Tag button. Enter a clear, descriptive name, and click Create Tag. Using names that reflect purpose, like indicating a campaign, product, or interest, will make it easier to filter emails and set access rules later. Let's quickly recap. From the dashboard, open Audience. To edit one person's tags, open their profile, click Edit in the Tags box, add or remove tags, and hit Save. For bulk updates, go to Audience, then Tags, use the three-dot menu on a tag to untag people, rename, or delete. And to create a new tag, in the Tags area, click plus New Tag, name it, and create it. That's all you need to keep your Podia audience tidy and actionable. Remember to save when editing individual profiles and revisit the tags page periodically to clean up or rename tags as your needs evolve. With a consistent tagging system in place, you'll be ready for targeted communication and smoother audience management.